Hello students, today our topic is definitions of sports and environment. Definitions means state or describe exactly the nature, scope or meaning is called definitions. Sports and environment. The sports environment is the conditions and circumstances in which sports person perform in sports activities is called and environment. The following definitions followings coming after as a result of definitions mean state or describe exactly the nature, scope, or meaning, may be helpful, ready to give help to understand, view in a particular way the meaning of sports and environment more clearly. Meaning, concept, or action more clearly to a greater extent, clearly without doubt. The views and ideas of few environmentalists who expressed in their own way in the shape of definitions or as listed below. The views means ability to see something, ideas, thoughts or suggestion as to a possible course of action. Of few environmentalist, a person who is concerned about protecting the environment is called environmentalists. Who expressed means convey a thought or feeling in their own way means belonging possesses method in the form of definitions or as listed below means register at a lower level. First definition according to Douglas and Holland. According means stated by to Douglas and Holland. Environment as a word. Environment as a word means the term of environment, which describes the aggregate all of the external forces. Describes, narrate, in the aggregate, a whole formed by combining several separate elements is called aggregate all of the external forces. External forces or forces caused by external agent outside of the system is called external forces. Influences the impact of external forces on and conditions means on the circumstances which affect the life. Effect means the result of life means the existence of human being or animal. Nature means the phenomena of the physical world. Behavior and the growth, development and maturations of living organisms. Nature, the phenomena of the physical world. Behavior, the way in which one acts, especially towards others. Growth and development. Growth refers to increase in the size of a child, and development refers to the process by which child develops his psychomotor skills is called development. And maturations means the process of maturing. Any physical changes that occur from conceptions to maturity is called maturations of living organisms. Any living structures such as plant, animal, fungus or bacterium capable of growth and reproductions is called living organisms according to unknowns. Means the statement stated by unknown authors or environmentalists. Environment is sum of all social, economical, physical or chemical factors. Sum of means total of whole, which things social, economical, physical or chemical factors. Then social means relating the things to society is called social, economical, giving good value, physical or chemical factors. There are a variety of environmental factors that affect microbial growth. The most important factors are temperature, oxygen, pressure, or salinity is called physical or chemical factors which constitute means the whole, the surroundings all round of a man is an adult human male who is both creator and molder of his environment. Creators means a person or thing that brings something into existence is called creator. Molder, one who molds something into shape, is called molders. According to unknown, the stated by unknown environmentalist, environment refers to the sum of conditions. Environments, the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plants lives is called environment. Refers mention to the sum of conditions mean total circumstances of the conditions which surrounds means all round a man at a given point in space and time. At a given point means the particular positions in a space, unoccupied place and time, scheduled hours. According to unknown again means stated by the environmentalist whose name is not mentioned is called unknown. Environment consists of various forms such as physical environment. Consist means made up of various many forms mean shape such as physical environment. Physical environment, the environment includes land, air, water, plants and animals, buildings and other infrastructures and all of the natural resources that provide our basic needs is called physical environment. Biological environment, the natural biological factors such as wild animals and plants that affect human life particular place or period is called biological environment. Social environment, a person social environment in their society and all surroundings influenced in their society and all surrounding influenced in some way by humans. It includes all relationship, institutions, cultures and physical structure and opportunities for social and economic development is called social environment. And supra social environment, the supra social environment consists of the notions regarding god or supernatural power is called supra social environment. According to unknown, the statement given by the unknowns means the name of the environment list is not given. The sports environment is the conditions and circumstances in which sports persons perform or indulge in sports activities. The sports environment. The sports environment is the condition or circumstances in which sports person perform in sports activities is called sports environment. Conditions means circumstances, and circumstances means about in which sports person a person who is involved in sports activity is called sports persons. Perform, to carry out or indulge, allow to enjoy something desired in sports activities. Sports activities means competitive physical activity which through casual participation aim to use improve physical abilities and skills is called sports activities. According to authors, a writer of a book, article or document is called author. Sports also offer an enjoyable sports, the activity involving physical exertions and skill in which an individual compete against another for entertainment is called sports. Offer means provide, enjoyable, given delight or pleasure. Exciting environment, great enthusiasm in the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plants lives, in which to learn means to gain or acquire knowledge, handle, deals with certain articles, both failure and success, failures, lack of success, and success, the good or bad outcome and undertaking. According to environment philosophers, environment philosophy is a branch of philosophy that is concerned with the natural environment and human place within it is called environment philosophers. Participation in sports is a great way of staying active. Participation, the action of taking part in something, that is called participation in sports, is a great way on extent method style of staying active. Staying active is a good for your body, mind, spirit, especially during such stressful situations, is called staying active and offers wonderful rewards for mental health. Offers means provide wonderful, marvelous, or extremely good rewards. A thing given in requisitions of service, effort, or achievement is called rewards. For mental health, a person conditions with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being is called mental health. Thanks and have a nice day.